This was the question 3047. Find the largest area of a square inside two rectangles. There exist n rectangles in a 2D plane with the edges parallel to the x and y axis. You are given a 2D region bottom left and top right. And where bottom left I, AI, BI and top right is I equal to CI, DI represent the bottom left and top right coordinates of I as rectangle respectively. You need to find the maximum area of a square that can fit inside the intersecting region of at least two rectangles. Return 0 if such a square does not exist. जाए ये एग्जाम्पल दे रखा है this was the example. How can we do it? The explanation is a square side with length. One can fit inside another intersecting regions of rectangle 0 and 1 or the intersecting regions of rectangle 1 and 2. Hence the maximum area is 1. It can be shown that a square with a greater side length can be not fit inside the intersecting regions of two rectangles. Okay, let's think like if I जो हर एक स्क्वायर है वो लाइज करेगा inside the intersection of at least two rectangles, right? And it must be fully contained within the overlapping regions of at least two rectangles, right? So the only candidates for the largest square are the intersections formed by possible pair of rectangles, right? Hmm. The form rectangles, right? Our challenging part is that finding that square, right? So let's go. Firstly, we see two pairs of rectangle and determine the boundaries of the overlapping rectangle. So minimum x होगा. Hmm, example बहुत है. Okay, let's 1 second. I mean, firstly creating this, creating this. Here we go. 1 second. Here we go. 7. 9. Good. Right. Minimum x is equal to max both left I x it and both left j x. This was apple and this is like 10 or 7. Wait, and this is bottom left j is equal to 2 and 4, and this is bottom left I is equal to 1 and 2. Right, and the for maximum के लिए यहाँ top right में 7 9, so इधर हो जाएगा max is equal to min top right ix and top right, and here we go 10 7 is top right and is 2 4. Right, and for minimum is like there we go bottom left 2 4, and minimum y is equal to max bottom left I y bottom left jy, bottom left 1 2 हो जाएगा और maximum y के लिए here we go maximum y minimum top right top top right I y हो जाएगा top right jy, and here we go top right 10 7 and then 2 7. Right, so we have to find the length of smaller dimension of the big rectangle. So in this we have to write minimum x minus min x comma max y minus min y. Right, so the larger square finally, if we take the square of the smaller length, you can see the largest square containing with the specific area 7 9, this and this 7 and then 7, and this one. To repeat this process for all pairs of rectangle and drag the maximum square side found. So the final answer is the square of the maximum side length. And time complexity big O n square and space complexity big O 1. Let's do the code once. Once again, zoom. We click larger square and a bottom left को BL से, top left top right को TR लिया है, TR. So is equal to 0 and 10 is equal to BL length. Create a loop for is equal to 0 and then for iterating j int min x equal to math dot max bl bottom left I and 0 bl j 0 max x math dot min tr I 0 tr j and 0. So second I bl I and 1 j and 1 max y. Right, and then after that then after that min x less than max x, so min x max x and min y less than max y. So the len is equal to math dot min max x minus min x max y minus min y. This is equal to dot max is len. Then we do return log s into s. Let's see run the code. Oh, right. Now it is good. Oh, no see anything. Now we will accepted submit. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow. Right.